Have you ever looked at the Google Cloud and wondered what is PubSub, what is Cloud Run, why do we need cloud storage, where does BigQuery fit, and how do all these services actually work together? If you are asking these questions, this video is exactly for you. In the next 6 minutes, I will explain the complete Google Cloud architecture that companies use to build scalable application. By the end of this video, you will understand where every major service fits, and every tutorial after this will become much easier to understand. So, hello everyone, welcome to the Pipeline Engineers, and in this channel we will learn Google Cloud from practical engineering perspective, not just by definition from the document. So, let's begin. Imagine you have built an online shopping application. Thousands of customers are placing order every minute. Some upload profile images, some make payment, some generates invoices. Now think for a moment, should one server handle everything? No. That would become slow and difficult to maintain. Instead of that, Google Cloud provide different managed services, each designed for a specific purpose. Let's understand this architecture one step at a time. The journey begins with the application. Whenever a customer places an order or upload a file or perform any actions on that application creates a request. Instead of processing everything immediately, it sends the event to PubSub. Now question arises, what is PubSub? Think of it as a highly reliable messaging system. Its job is simple: receive message and safely deliver them to the downstream services. This keep application fast because they don't need to wait for processing. Now Cloud Run. Cloud Run execute your business logic. For example, validate the order, call another API, transform incoming data, or process uploaded files. Cloud Run automatically scales depending on incoming traffic. If 10 users arrive, it handles 10 requests. If 10,000 users arrive, it scales automatically to handle that 10,000. Now we have cloud storage. If the application needs to store document, images, videos, or backup files, cloud storage is the perfect choice. Instead of saving files inside your application server, they are securely stored in Google Cloud Storage. Next, we have BigQuery. After processing is complete, business actually wants reports. Questions like how many orders were placed today, which product sold the most, what was today's revenue. BigQuery store analytical data and allow us to run SQL queries on massive dataset within few seconds. That's the power. Next, we have networking. You may wonder, how do all these services communicate securely? That's where networking comes in. A VPC provides a private network, subnet organize resources, and firewall rules control incoming and outgoing traffic. And CloudNet allow private virtual machine to access the internet securely. And Cloud DNS helps service communicate using domain names. That's a complete networking. Next, we have how we can bring everything together, which we have learned now. So, let's quickly summarize this. The application generates request, PubSub transport messages, Cloud Run process business logic, and Cloud Storage stores file, and BigQuery stores analytical data. Networking services securely connect everything together. This is overall picture of production ready Google Cloud application. If this video helped you to understand Google Cloud better, then this is the only the beginning. In the upcoming videos, we will explore every services one by one with hands-on demo inside the Google Cloud Console live. We will build real architecture, discuss interview questions, and understand how these services are used in production. If you are serious about learning Google Cloud and data engineering, subscribe the Pipeline Engineers and join me on this journey. And let me know in the comment which service would you like to learn in next videos? PubSub, Cloud Run, or a BigQuery? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.